Hello y'all, it's the Country Notary. Hope you're having a great day. As always, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is an updated video of my personal home renovation project. My parents built this home from the ground in 1973, and I basically inherited the property when my parents passed away. God bless their souls. My sisters and brothers basically signed the property over to me, and I've been living here for 7 years now. Last video, the kitchen was partially sheetrocked. Well, actually this video, the kitchen is now partially sheetrocked. There was a column here where the oven, built-in oven was, that's been removed. The ceiling has been filled in both spots, and of course that has to be skimmed and texturized, and this will all be done by midweek. All the sheetrock will be installed and painted, texturized and painted by midweek, and then my cabinet maker will be installing my cabinets beginning possibly the end of next week. Just met with him a few moments ago. I will give you guys another update. Very excited about these renovations. Definitely take my home from the mid-'80s. I think that was about the time we did my mother did any last updates on this house, from about the mid-'80s to obviously 2022. It's the Country Notary. Talk to y'all soon.